So this car here, we are trying to get it to go 100 mile an hour off-road on grass, but in the last video we had a couple of problems. So we fitted a brand new ESC that's more powerful, but it ended up going slower. So a few of you guys in the comments said maybe it's the ESC, it's got a lower KV limit, maybe it's the grass was longer, maybe the grass was wet. I think it was because I ran it on a mismatch of batteries. So in this video, Martin's going to lend us a set of decent batteries. We're going to stick a set of foam tyres on there and just see how fast we can get this thing to go. All right, we are on location. We've got the foams fitted. Martin has kindly lent me these batteries here, which he reckons are some of the most powerful ones that he's ever used. So we will see if this is going to go more than 70 mile an hour or 2 mile an hour. Check this out. That thing would look epic on the burnout car.
You can borrow it for the burnout car.
Yeah?
If you can get it off of there. I might have sugared the magnets a little bit too well.
Yeah, it's got to be a burnout car, that, hasn't it?
It now pivots.
We've got a 6S Slash. Is it running on 6S?
Yes.
Oh, standing backflips. Look at all these speed cars here. We've got a Limitless, we've got another Limitless, we've got Martin's twin motor, we've got a Hobeo, and oh, what's this one? Is that your one? That's a car show. Oh, and it's Ripper motored up. Oh no, it's not a Ripper motor, but it looks like a Ripper motor. Oh! Another Limitless over there. Here's Martin's twin motor creation. So 2 Max 6s, 2 TPs. Did it go 100 mile an hour, didn't it? Yeah. On 4S.
Well, it went 96.
96 on 4S and 4S. Today he's going to try it on 8S and 8S.
Are you done?
Yeah, why?
Shut now.
Oh, do you all go?
My turn.
Go on in.
No, don't film me.
Why?
I don't like being filmed.
Right, it's off, it's off, it's not filming. It's off.
Right, so last time you saw this, will you go away?
Alright, let's get your lipos in there. Alright, let's see how fast it's going to go. We got this GPS, we got this GPS, we got that reading it. And we're going to compare the speed differences and hopefully we won't crash. Speed, there we go. Let's see what this baby can do. We've got to run up all the way from over there, but we've got to slow down before we hit the curb at the end. So, first time using this app properly, so you've got to set it onto track mode, then you hit start, and then when it says testing there, it's now recording the speed. If you only hit 70 mile an hour, then we know that it's the ESC holding it back. Right, here we go. Alright, well we could have gone more. Right, let's have a look. So we go to stop, read. Oh, that was 78 mile an hour. Alright, so then you go back, start. Right, let's try and go a bit more. That's definitely faster. Stop, read. Oh, 91 mile an hour. All right, let's see if we can get it to 100. Oh, 93. Oh, we need more. That's not enough. I don't know if that's the ESC holding it back or what. On this one here, we're reading 91 mile an hour, 93 on this one. So I think this one is a little bit more accurate. I'm not sure if it's going to go any more than that though. I think that might be flat out. It's supposed to do 100 mile an hour off-road. I've got a feeling it might be the ESC holding it back. Oh, 94 mile an hour on that one. 95 mile an hour on that one. Guys, it should be going faster. It might well be the ESC holding it back. The ESC has got a KV limit. Those motors are quite high KV. What is going on here? Oh, 96. Not enough space here to wind it up anymore. That was flat out though. Stop, read. 98 mile an hour. All right, that's it for this. It should go faster. We're going to have to investigate to see what's holding it back. I'm guessing it's going to be the ESC. Is that a Limitless, is it?
It's a Mojave. It's the same as your Mojave chassis with a Typhoon arms.
So 4S, you reckon it's going to get 100, and then we're going to try an 8S.
So started.
I reckon 95. Oh,
I did say 80, didn't I?
Yeah. So now Martin's got it on 6S. Oh, that's faster. Oh,
94.
94. Oh, and that weren't even flat out. I feel offended now because my buggy only done 98 on 8S. That sparked. Was that flat out?
No. I'm not going to get it flat out here. I'm
Nah.
too scared.
It's got to beat 98. Oh, 95. 95.
Oh, I'll let you win that one.
You've still got 8S to play with. So next we're going to run this on 6S because I've got a funny feeling that this ESC here is actually holding it back because it's got a KV limit. So if it gets the same speed on 6S as it did on 8S, then we know that we've got to change ESCs. Probably an XOX2. Here's the moment of truth, guys. Is it going to hit 98 on 6S? I reckon it's going to be pretty close. I know it's slower. Definitely slower. So stop. Read. 80 mile an hour. Alright, so yes. Maybe we got to gear it up then. 80 mile an hour on 6S, so that's 18 mile an hour more on 8S. So it's definitely, I don't think it's that holding it back. I don't know, this one's gone funny. Martin's just going to calibrate the ESC. Maybe I calibrated it wrong. Definitely faster on the Max 6. Alright, let's give it a go, see what happens. Martin's on 8S now. No idea what speed that's going to get. Oh my god! Oh yeah. Same innit. 81. Martin's trying it on 8S now. 8S and 8S, so 16S. Some people say you're not allowed to say that, but we're saying it. We're going to hide behind this for safety. Martin's being all man. Whoa, that's moving. How much power was that? Only 3/4. That's got to be 100, isn't it?
99.
No, 99.
Oh, how can it be?
Martin's the winner so far.
At least done 100 though.
Yeah, that's all right for a warm-up round. Oh, blowout. Oh, we got a burnout going on over there with the Limitless. How rude. Oh, burnout happening down here. Do you want to try these? So next, Martin's going to have a go on the foams. They got a little bit wet though, so hopefully they're not going to blow out. Oh, flat out.
Flat out.
There you go, go for it. Oh!
No, flat out.
Was it not? They were expanding, did you see it? Oh, no, wheel spinning. Oh, guys, it's starting to rain, look. Oh, no! Oh, what happened?
Oh no! Lost the drive shaft. Oh, no.
What did you do?
Spun out.
Oh, Martin just killed my tyres. Finish it. Right, drive shaft's gone somewhere. Where's the bit of the tyre gone?
64 when it went
64 mile an hour. Was that 64 into the thing? Yeah. Oh. Oh, look. That's where it walloped.
Got any super glue in?
That's fine.
It's stuck to the tyre good though. I mean,
yeah. What happened?
quite a heavy old lump there, isn't it?
Fix it. Uh-oh. Daddy, stop! Daddy, no! Guys, I'm not giving up until we've hit 100 mile an hour with this off-road on grass. So we're going to have to go back to the drawing board a little bit, see what's going on. I've ordered some new ESCs. I've got a new Castle XLX2 coming. We're going to try Max 6 again. We're going to try some different ESCs. I've also got some different motors to have a little play about with. Guys, we've got to get this car to go faster. Or maybe it's just a gearing. We're only running, I think, a 21 tooth pinion on there, so we can gear it up quite a lot more. So subscribe and smash the bell so you don't miss it.